Today, we'll discuss a step-by-step guide on starting a plumbing business in California. Being a skilled plumber is one thing, but being a successful business owner requires understanding the importance of experience and knowledge. Obtaining a plumbing contractor license and certification is crucial, and ongoing training helps you stay updated with industry standards and technologies. Experience and knowledge set you apart from competitors, allowing you to deliver high-quality services that meet customer expectations. As you gain experience, you develop invaluable skills for handling customers and situations, benefiting your plumbing business. Financing a plumbing business. How to start a plumbing business in California with little to no money. Start by creating a solid business plan, including goals, target market, pricing strategy, and growth plans. This will attract potential investors or lenders and keep you focused and organized. Your comprehensive plumbing business plan should cover the following key elements. Choose the most suitable business structure, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, or corporation. Develop a detailed financial plan, including startup costs, ongoing expenses, pricing strategy, and projected revenue. Obtain necessary licenses and certifications. Familiarize yourself with the specific requirements and regulations set by the California Contractors State License Board, CSLB, and other relevant authorities. Develop effective marketing strategies by considering your target market, establishing a website, networking and partnerships, and implementing advertising and promotional strategies. Implement risk management measures by obtaining general liability insurance, workers' compensation insurance, and commercial auto insurance, if applicable, to protect your business against potential liabilities. Legal requirements for starting a small plumbing business, a comprehensive guide. Licenses and permits. Obtain a plumbing contractor license, local business licenses, plumbing permits, or authorization from your local government. Obtaining a plumbing business insurance to protect your business against potential liabilities. Bank accounts. Dedicate a bank account for your business to make tax season easier to manage. Equipment and resources. Getting the right tools for the job. Equip your plumbing business with the necessary tools, equipment, and supplies. Research reliable suppliers in California and establish relationships to ensure a steady supply of materials. Branding and marketing. Grow your business with new customers. Focus on branding and marketing to grow your plumbing business. Develop a professional brand identity with a catchy name, logo, and website. Create marketing materials like business cards, brochures, and flyers specific to your plumbing business. Leverage online platforms and social media to showcase your expertise and reach potential customers. Specializing in plumbing. Why focusing on a particular aspect can boost your business. Specializing in a particular aspect of plumbing can boost your business. Determine your business model and organization, considering the qualifications and experience of your team members. Create a business plan that focuses on providing specialized services to enhance your credibility and reputation. How to start a plumbing business in California the right way. If you need assistance with the legal aspects of setting or forming a contractor corporation for your plumbing business, Incorporation Attorney can help. Their legal team will guide you through the incorporation process and handle the necessary paperwork to ensure your plumbing business starts off smoothly. With these steps, you'll be on your way to starting a plumbing business in California the right way.